So right now, let me move on to show you more case studies so you can get a better idea of the mashup idea. Um, we developed the general self-depth mashup, GIS mashup, crowd mashup, general depth mashup, and some other stuff. So I already put them in another user account and put it at public, so you can ready to test it. Just type this URL. So they are here. The first one is cell depth general mashup. To simplify the input, we put it as another box, so you can just click this. It will start fair mashup. Let me try it. What it will have to do, it will search the fair simulation in the web search that we just did before, and try different link and typo of the articles, and will run the simulation in the CloudRise and parse the results and show in our log viewer, and you can run them. Okay, and they are here. It's generated here right away. Okay, and you can stop by any time, and it will show the videos that we shown just now. Of course, if you refresh, you can start over by using other models. Here is just an example, and we can show the snow, and it will run a simulation in the CloudRise, and it will show some videos in our YouTube. And yeah, you can also play with the results, and it will load in the log viewer. You can play with the results, and it will load in here. Okay, it's not that. Yeah. For example, is that the cell depth model for this one is cancer. You can see here, same idea of the web search and YouTube channel. And just wait a little bit, you can play with the results and stop anytime. It will simulate how the results looks like. Okay, and you see the results into different parts. Yeah. And some other stuff is this one is GIS land use mashup, which can create the 3 inputs about the model, land use, and some other geographical information simulation. And yeah, let's just try to click. It will run the simulation and collect the information and show the results in the Google Map. So if you see here, it also will show some Wikipedia about the location of the GIS that we mentioned, and show some the weather forecast information about that location, and some other information about the geographical address, so which is queried by some web API. And for here, we can show the Google Map, so you can drag and drop in different time, you can see the colors changed, which is the result from CloudRise. Okay. For this mashup, this is the crowd model simulation. Basically, it will get the simulation crowd simulation initial data from the building, then run the simulation in the CloudRise, and show some results in the right part. Okay, and basically when we tap the start the mashup input, it will give us the idea of how a little slow, sorry for that. Yeah, just let us to refresh it. Okay. Okay, so this model, So the third mashup is the crowd modeling and simulation mashup, which is can get the information from building, run simulation, and get some publication in our lab for that model, and show some YouTube channels, videos, and also show the simulation results. And that simulation result is advanced version. It's not just the color for the state. We will get some picture from the Flickr, so you can click different floors, and it can show a simulation result. Okay, you can see here there's a very big floor, and you can drag to see different parts. Stairs here. Okay, and you can see the people coming from different location and to just going to get rid of these stairs. Okay, and floor 2. Okay, next is the devs general the mashup. So, and this one is the barber shop, which can try to mimic the barber reception process. So you see it shows barber information and the web search about the barber simulation latest articles, and some of the publication that the papers that we use this model before. So there are several papers that use the barber, and of course the output and log file. We also did another box we call the restart the CloudRise. It's trying to recover the CloudRise when something happened. For example, the server is down, it's reached its limitation of the storage. So when you click it, it will remove the current instance and launch a new one, and also configure with the same IP and with some initial data already there. So everything is automatic when you click it. But be careful about this. If you click this, the current user who have worked on that will be, affected, and the current data will be lost. So, yeah. Thank you for your watching, and we just go over the general architecture of the MAMSaaS and following different demos and tutorials. Do you have any questions? Be free to let me know, and here is my email.